Today I am here in Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple is one of the famous temple in South India. It has a very much strong historical significance as well as architectural capabilities. Since I am almost 2,500 years old, Meenakshi Temple, which is also called a Taj Mahal in South India. This particular temple caters almost 15,000 visitors during the peak time and from across the India. More than 1,000 strong pillars with lot of architectural design and sculptures are available in this particular temple. We can understand the national pride and India becoming a religious and knowledge hub due to this kind of institutions that we have. We had provided the knowledge, inspiration and motivation for the betterment of mankind through this kind of religious institutions that we have. This institutions is extremely architectural designed. As I have gone through the little bit of history of it, almost couple of century were included in this, were included in while building this particular temple. From one king and then another king continued that activity and become such a great religious institution that we have. That if you can see this north block, similar kind of another 3 blocks are available, and each blocks are so beautifully designed, and I completely can understand that particular architect or designer completely spent their whole life while creating each of these components. So that much of sacrifice and that much of quality and dedications has been given while constructing these temples. Today we can understand the importance of this particular institutions, which is not only creating the tourism economy, it also helps to connect across Indian people and contribute something for national integrations. So as I said earlier, 15,000 visitors, couple of millions of revenue and many other happenings around this Madurai area, and this particular temple has created lots of peace and harmony and joy, not only for this local town, for across all Indians. So let us create this kind of, contribute this kind of, build this kind of religious institutions in each of our places and make our society self-reliant. With this note, this is Nirpa Chatri signing out for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.